How to make a steakhouse wedge salad that steals the show. Ever wondered how a simple wedge of lettuce can become the highlight of a steakhouse menu? The secret isn't just in the creamy dressing or the crispy bacon, it's in how every ingredient plays a bold role on the plate. A steakhouse wedge salad is more than a side dish, it's a scene stealer packed with crunch, coolness, and rich flavor contrast. Whether you're serving a sizzling ribeye or hosting a backyard barbecue, this salad delivers a refreshing punch that balances the boldest of meats. At its core, the wedge salad is unapologetically simple. A quartered head of iceberg lettuce becomes a crisp canvas, soaking up bold flavors while keeping things light. It's that satisfying crunch that keeps people coming back for more. What makes it steakhouse isn't just the portion size, it's the indulgence. We're talking thick blue cheese dressing, smoky bacon crumbles, sweet cherry tomatoes, sharp red onions, and a sprinkle of chives. It hits creamy, salty, sweet, tangy, and crisp all in one bite. Here's what you'll need for 4 servings. 1 large head of iceberg lettuce, quartered. 8 slices of thick cut bacon, cooked until crispy and crumbled. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. Half red onion, thinly sliced. 1 cup blue cheese dressing, store-bought or homemade. Half cup crumbled blue cheese. Fresh chives, finely chopped. Freshly ground black pepper, to taste. To assemble, place a wedge on each plate, drizzle generously with blue cheese dressing, and top with bacon, tomatoes, onion, and blue cheese crumbles. Finish with chives and a crack of black pepper. Want to level it up? Grill the lettuce wedges for 30 seconds aside for a subtle charred flavor. Practical tip: if you're not a fan of blue cheese, try a creamy ranch or even a green goddess dressing. And don't skip the bacon, it's the crunch and salt that ties it all together. This wedge salad isn't just a side, it's a conversation starter. Perfect for impressing guests or just treating yourself to a steakhouse experience at home. So, would you serve this wedge salad on its own or pair it with your favorite steak? Let us know in the comments, we're hungry to hear your ideas.